Hello and welcome to my channel. This is Army Forex, and it's always exciting to come your way with the weekly analysis of the pairs that I'll be looking at. I will be trading in the course of the week. Last week, we analyzed EU and we saw the market playing out exactly as it was analyzed. I mentioned last week that although the monthly has formed a morning star, the market had retraced to the 61.8 Fibonacci level because on the higher time frame, we are bearish. And so I anticipated a drop and probably a continuation of the downtrend. And we saw that right from Monday, market started dropping. And we started buying. And the market was good. When we see the weekly candle, we realize that we still have a bearish momentum. So I am anticipating the market will continue to sell. And honestly, this is the region that I'm expecting market price to come to, this region. That is a 1.05584. And because we've identified that market is going to continue going down, forming a series of lower low, lower high, and lower low, what are we looking at? We can see a rejection from these zone, but I still anticipate that market will break below this zone and continue to trade downwards. But in the next 1 or 2 days, I'm anticipating a little bit of a pullback either to this region or to this region. That is why I have placed my short twos there. The market is going to either pull back into this region, form an equal low, and then break down, or maybe just to this zone and break downwards. Why am I anticipating the market will come to this region? I'm looking at, if you take your flip, and you move it from swing high to swing low, you realize that this region is the 61.8 region. So I'm anticipating that price will probably pull back and then continue with the downtrend. Yeah, that is what I'm looking at. But on the other hand, if price decide to go straight down, then I'm going to wait for a break and a retest of this zone before I short. At whatever happens, let us see what price will do. We follow price. We may make our prediction, but we have to trade what we see. Briefly, I think that is all that I have to share on Euro USD. Yes. But should price break above this zone? Yeah. Should price break above this zone, break this lower high and forms a higher high, then probably we'll also consider going long. But whatever the case may be, we'll have to see what price will do. as I always say, and I'll continue to say, do not be rigid in the positions that you take. Always follow price action. You can't force the market to do what you want it to do. The market does what it wants to do. So when you see price action and price action is telling you otherwise, then you follow price action. But I strongly am of the view that price will continue going downwards. Let's look at the dollar index. Yeah. Let's check the weekly. We see how we have a British engulfer on the weekly, and with this candle forming, it's an indication that price will continue going up. But I am still expecting a little bit of a pullback and then a continuation to the upside. Yeah. So that's what I'm anticipating. But all the same, let's see what price will do. And then for this is a zone that price will have to break. Price will have to break. And if once we break this zone, there is no stopping of the dollar in dollar. There is no stopping. Then once we break this, this is also another zone, but I don't see it as something that will cause more trouble. So once we break this zone, I'm seeing price going all up to the high level and probably even forming a new high. So that is that by way of me analyzing EU for the week. If you are new to this channel, I will advise that you subscribe so that anytime we upload content like this, you will be among the first to see it. And we also have a free Telegram channel where we share our trade setups for the week. So if you are interested in getting free setups, and sometimes we even give signals, you can also take advantage and join our free Telegram channel as we put the link in the description of this video. Thank you so much for taking time to watch this video. Until I come your way again with the review in the course of the week as the market plays out, may the market be with us.